The meeting has emphasized that the uniqueness of indigenous Assamese Muslims should be protected and should be preserved. However, in the broader landscape, it has been agreed that the population explosion in some part of Assam has posed a real threat for the development of Assam, more particularly in the economic sense. And if at all we have to become among the 5 states of the country, then we have to manage our population explosion. So that has been agreed today.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.